For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of uneven blends and constant guesswork? This blender takes the thinking out of every mix. The SmartSense 5-speed full-size blender, 1400 watt in Gunmetal Gray, is designed for effortless professional-level blending at home. From my own experience, it handles everything from nut butters to smoothies with incredible smoothness. This product comes with a 1400 watt motor and smart auto cycle, which makes blending precise, efficient, and consistent every time. Smart auto cycle. The blender senses ingredient load and automatically adjusts speed, time, and function. I love that it saves me time while delivering the smoothest results without constantly monitoring. Precision speeds. A dynamic range of 1 to 5 allows me to blend delicate nut flours and fully emulsified nut milk with perfect control. No straining needed, which is a game changer for homemade nut milk. Intuitive interface. Simple buttons and a dot matrix display make it easy to set and track blending times. Even on busy mornings, I never have to guess which setting to use. Power and finesse. The 1400 watt motor powers everything from light pulses to full throttle blends. I've blended frozen fruits and tough vegetables effortlessly, and it never struggles. Complete package. Comes with a 64-ounce blender pitcher, lid with pour spout, tamper, recipe book, and user guide. This makes getting started easy and adds versatility for different recipes. Performance and usability. Using this blender daily, I notice the consistent texture it delivers and the reliability of the motor. It's easy to operate, clean, and versatile enough for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even nut-based drinks. The tamper helps push ingredients down without needing to stop the blender, making every blend smooth and even. Additional benefits. The dishwasher-safe pitcher adds convenience, while the sturdy motor base ensures durability. Its design minimizes noise and maintains efficiency, making it a safe and high-quality kitchen tool. Conclusion. Overall, from my experience, the SmartSense 5-speed blender delivers professional results at home. Its powerful motor, precision speeds, and smart auto cycle make blending effortless, and it's perfect for anyone who wants smooth, consistent results without the hassle.